Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Piece of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a bloom blowout for you guys today, and I'm really excited because I'm using this Anchors Away by Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. This is my first time using this color as a base. It's actually my second time, but you won't see that video until later. But it was my first session with it, and I was like just really excited to try it out. I've had it sitting around for a really long time. If you watch Lisa Marvin art, you've probably seen this color base coat a lot. That's where I got the idea to use this color. She uses a lot, and it's beautiful as a base. So anyway, that's why I'm trying this today. I've got that TLP Velvet, TLP Prainite, Lakeside from TLP, and then, excuse me, I have that gold from Golden, and a Phthalo Turquoise from Tri-Art that I'm using. So, and then this is the Payne's Gray Cell Activator by Amsterdam. So on this one, I did blow out 2 blooms with my hair dryer, and I'm trying something new in this session too that I don't normally do because I feel like I don't have a lot of control, but I'm actually really loving using this. I have this little travel hair dryer. It's an MHU, I think is the brand, and normally I use a diverter with it, but I decided to try to not do that without that concentrator. I always call it a diverter, but it's a concentrator attachment. And I really liked it. I enjoyed the blowout on this a lot. What I do like about these colored pillows is they are very forgiving. So if you are a newbie and you're working on blooms, get one of these colored pillows because it hides more of the air bubbles. So when they pop through, it's not white. It'll be that undercolor, which is nice. And then also, it just seems like it's a little bit easier to blow out than on the way. I don't know if that makes any sense. So a spoiler alert, I love this blowout, but that center, I didn't get good enough with the hairdryer, so I had a lot of cell activator sitting in there, and I got my tube out, and that was a big mistake. I do not like using the tube because it makes these little pockets that I'm not a fan of. I think I blew too hard into those, so they made it more like little circle pockets, which is what I definitely don't like. So that I will end up tilting off that center. It is a really pretty bloom once I get both of the blooms on here. I do wish that I could have left it on, but it just bothered me far too much. So, but I think in the end, I really, really love this one. It dried so pretty. Yeah, I'm really digging this one. So, I will be teaching this at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas, September 27th through the 29th. It's going to be a good time, and I am teaching one class of this. So if you're interested in learning the bloom blowout, take the class, and I will show you how I'm doing this. So, and then I think what I'm going to do at this class as well, which I have not done in the past, is I am going to use colored bases, which I usually will use a white base, but I actually am really liking this colored base thing, so I'm going to try and get some colored bases for us for that class. All right, guys, this second bloom blew out way better. It looks a lot nicer. I should have just been more patient with the other center. I think it would have came together a little bit better, like this second bloom, but hey, yeah, you live and learn. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of this. Thank you for joining me, and let me know in the comments what you think of this one. And if you're not subscribed, of course, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. I do read and respond to every comment. So if you have any questions as well, please feel free to reach out. Okay, guys, have a great one, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.